Hello students, welcome you to all in SGI online class and this is your biology class. Students, today I am going to continue the unit 2, that is harmful effects and first aid. Students, in our previous class we already finished this chapter, this unit. Now today I am going to discuss the exercise of this unit. So let's start. First is the multiple choice question. Students, in our previous class we already discussed the multiple choice question, but today I am going to revise this multiple choice question. So let's start. First is the multiple choice question. Multiple choice questions. And the first question is consumption of tobacco leads to consumption of tobacco leads to. So, consumption of tobacco leads to, the option is the damage of liver, cough and irritation, loss of vision and the changing mood and temper. So, all these three options change damage of liver. This occurs due to the consumption of alcohol, not tobacco. And the loss of vision and changing mood and temper, this occurs due to the taking drugs. So, the second option, cough and irritation. This is the right answer. Cough and irritation. This is the right answer. Next is question number 2. That is the active component nicotine is found in the active component nicotine is found in. Students, the active component nicotine is found in the leaves of the tobacco. टोबैको के लीव्स में एक कंपोनेंट पाया जाता है जिसको बोलते हैं निकोटीन. सो द राइट आंसर इज टोबैको. नेक्स्ट इज द डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग. स्टूडेंट्स, एंड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज पैसिव smoking. First question is passive smoking. Students, what is passive smoking? Actually, sometimes when the person is not doing the smoking, but the non-smokers which is sitting or standing in front of the person who is smoking suffers from the symptoms of smoking. उसको भी वो symptoms हो सकते हैं जो कि एक smokers को हो सकते हैं. So this is known as passive smoking. Means वो person who is not doing the smoking but has the symptoms of the smoking because of standing or sitting near the smokers. So this is known as passive smoking. And next define the following is the narcotic drugs. Narcotic drugs. Students, narcotic drug, actually the drug that act on the brain and alter behavior, consequence and power of perception are known as narcotic drugs. वो जो ड्रग्स होती हैं जो डायरेक्टली हमारे ब्रेन पे इफेक्ट करती हैं, हमारे सोचने की पावर को खत्म कर देती हैं. ठीक है, इस तरह से जो एक्ट करती है हमारे ब्रेन पर, हमारे नर्वस सिस्टम पर, वो ड्रग्स होती हैं नार्कोटिक ड्रग्स. नेक्स्ट डिफाइन इज द first aid. So students, the first aid is the care that is given to an injured or sick person prior to the treatment by medically trained persons. जो हम किसी पर्सन को ऐसे ट्रीटमेंट जो हम मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट से पहले किसी मेडिकली ट्रेंड पर्सन द्वारा दी जाती है वो केयर कहलाती है फर्स्ट एड. एंड सम माइनर इंजरीज और इलनेस देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ medical treatment. Only the first aid is sufficient. There is a requirement of the first aid. No further treatment is required. Okay students, Next is the next defined as a third degree burn. A third degree burn. Students, what is third degree burn? Actually, the third degree burn is most severe because it is deep and all the layers of the skins are involved in this type of burning. क्योंकि हमारे स्किन की जितनी भी layers होती हैं इस burning में वो सारी ही involved होती हैं. And the skin may be formed white to black in color, and because there is a deep burning, or the skin may be charred, means there is a cracking, there is a removal of the skin, and the victim usually has no sensation on the area of the burn. जिस भी एरिया में बर्निंग हुई होती है वहाँ पे कोई भी सेंसेशन नहीं रह जाता है विक्टिम को. दिस इज नोन एज थर्ड डिग्री बर्न. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. Answer the following question. The first question is write about the first aid measures in case of the following, that is cut, burn, bite, bleeding, fracture, unconscious swallowing of poison and object in the eyes and stick insect sting. So all these first aid measures I have already discussed while I am explaining you this chapter, this unit. So students, if you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask me. Next question number second is the give differences between the first degree burn and the second degree burn. Students, what is the difference between first degree burn and second degree burn? Actually, in the first degree burn, there is no blisters are formed, but in second degree burn, the blisters are formed. Second degree burn में blisters आ जाते हैं, but first degree burn में कोई भी blisters form नहीं होते हैं. And in first degree burn, there is a red hot. The area is red hot. But in second degree burn, the skin is there is a rashes, red rashes, or in some cases the skin turn into white. White में भी convert हो जाती है. And in first degree burn, it is usually heal their own. But in second degree burn, there is a slightly medical treatment occur. कुछ medical treatment की need होती है, जैसे कि कुछ antiseptics की need होती है. So it is not heal their own. And in both the condition, the first degree burn, it is more painful, but second degree burn, in most of the cases it is also painful, but not all the cases. So this is the difference between first degree and second degree burn. And the next question is mention the harmful effect of consumption of the following items. Question number 3. Mention in brief the harmful effect effects of consuming the following item. Consuming the following items. And the first item is the tobacco. What is the harmful effect of chewing tobacco? Students, while the harmful effects of chewing tobacco is it also increase the risk of the lungs and oral cancer. Oral cancer means mouth cancer, and it also it also cause the problem which is related to the blood pressure. It also increase the risk of the heart diseases. Tobacco की chewing से heart diseases होने का भी risk हो जाता है. There is a cough, irritation, gastric, and duodenal ulcers also occur while on chewing tobacco. So this is the harmful effect of chewing tobacco. Next item is the alcohol. So the harmful effect of consuming alcohol is actually alcohol leads to lowering of blood sugar level, which has a harmful effect on the brain, and hypertension, cardiovascular disease also occur while consuming alcohol, and it also leads to damage of the liver and get stored in the form of the fat. And the alcohol also leads to or also affect the judgment and reduce the self control and coordination. जब बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रिंक किए होते हैं कोई पर्सन तो अपना सेल्फ कंट्रोल खो देते हैं, उनमें कोई भी कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं रह जाता है, तो इस तरह की भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं. Alcohol also affect the vision and the alertness in this problem, and all these problems occur or you can get an accident. So alcohol leads all these problems. Next is the drug. The harmful effect of drugs. Actually, drug leads to the person who is taking the drugs. Actually, the person or the body of that person is depend on that drug. This is known as drug addiction. Drug bring about the mental illness, and also prolonged use of that drugs leads to the physical and mental dependence of the body on them. ठीक है, अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम तक किसी ड्रग का यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो वो हमारी बॉडी फिजिकली मेंटली उस ड्रग पे डिपेंड हो जाएगी, जैसे हम ड्रग एडिक्शन बोलते हैं, और इसे किसी भी तरह की मेंटल इलनेस भी हो सकती है. दिस इज द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ऑफ ड्रग. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विल यू कंज्यूम एल्कोहल वाइल ड्राइविंग और आफ्टर ड्रिंकिंग. क्या जब भी कभी भी आप एल्कोहल कंज्यूम ड्रिंक करने के बाद ड्राइविंग करेंगे? And will you drive a vehicle? Give your opinion. So, students, while consuming the alcohol or after drinking, I will never drive because it is very harmful. Because after consuming the alcohol, the person also lost their self-control and coordination. So, after drinking, it may be there is a chances to meet an accident. आपके chances हो सकते हैं कि कोई accident हो सकता है. And also there is a rule that after drinking it is not allowed to drive a vehicle. So we never broke down the rules because of to maintain the और ये जितने भी रूल्स हैं इनको मेंटेन करने के लिए हमें ज़रूरी है कि कोई भी रूल्स को हम ब्रेक ना करें. सो वी विल नेवर drive after drinking or while consuming the alcohol. Okay students, with this answer your lesson, your unit 2 harmful effects and first aid is also completed. Thank you students, have a nice day.